So we completed what is meant by a food chain. Okay. Now I'll write a food chain and then we have to learn some more terms. So this is a food chain. Plant seeds eaten by mice and they are eaten by snakes and snakes are eaten by hogs. It's a type of bird. Okay. So how many, so of course this is a producer and how many consumers are here? There are 3 consumers, mice, snakes, hogs. Okay. And you know, mice is directly eating the plants, so we call them as herbivore, or we can say it as primary consumers. Okay. This is known as secondary consumers and this is known as tertiary consumers. Okay. So we can say there are 3 different kinds of consumers: primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. And we learn what is meant by herbivore. Hogs, we can give another name. This name is carnivores. You know what is meant by carnivores? Carnivores are animals, those who are eating other animals only. So they are known as carnivores. Usually in a food chain, the last will be occupied by carnivores. So herbivore, carnivore, and there are one more kind of animals. They are known as omnivores. Omnivores means they eat both plants and also animal foods. Just like you can say cat. Cat, it drinks milk, it eats rice, but at the same time it eats fish also. So such kind of animals we can say it as omnivore. So there is herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Herbivores are occupying the first place after the plants, after the producer. Otherwise they are known as primary consumers. And carnivores are occupying the last place in a food chain and in the consumers. So they are known as tertiary consumers. And omnivores means they can occupy in the middle. About the snakes, I think it eats all. Even for plant foods also it is eating, I think. So herbivore and carnivore, omnivore. Carnivores means they are eating only animal food. Okay. Now there is and also primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. And what happens when these animals and plants die? When they die, another set of organisms they are there to decompose them. That means the set of organisms which are feeding on dead or decaying matter, we call it as decomposers. Same like bacteria, they are decomposers. Okay, what they are having, like they are depending on dead and decaying matter. When all these organisms die, they eat them. And each level in a food chain, we call them as trophic levels. So here how many trophic levels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 trophic levels. And now you know what is a food chain, what is a food web that we discussed in the last class. Then there is herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, decomposers, trophic levels, primary consumer, secondary consumer and tertiary consumers. You can go through page number 267. There are some key definitions that you have to memorize and your notes are also given as PDF file. I will send it soon. Okay.